I hope you had a very nice St. Patrick's Day yesterday. Richard Harris, an Irish singer, recorded this when I was 28. I listened to it about 100 times and wrote 100 pages about my life at the time. I was 28 years old at the time, in 1968. Spring was never waiting for us. It ran one step ahead of us, but we followed it in the dance. MacArthur's Park is melting in the dawn. All the sweet green icing is flowing down. Someone left his cake out in the rain. I don't think I can take this. It took so long to bake it, and I'll never have that recipe again. Never again. Never again. Never again. I recall the yellow cotton dress foaming like the wave on the ground beneath your knees. The birds like tender babies in your hands, and the old men playing Chinese checkers under those trees. MacArthur's Park is melting in the dark. All the sweet green icing is flowing down. Someone left my cake out in the rain. I don't think that I can take this. It took so long to bake this. And I'll never have this recipe. I'll never have that recipe. I'll never have another recipe. Again. Never again. MacArthur's Park is melting in the dark. All the sweet green icing is flowing down. Someone left my cake out in the rain. I don't think I can take it, 'cause it took so long to bake it. And I'll never have that recipe again. Never again.